So guys, today I am in CNC workshop. You see, this is a guy. His name is Shiabur Rahman. This is Shiabur Rahman. He's my honorable teacher. I learned CNC machine operation and CAD/CAM design from him. So today we are gonna visiting his workshop. So I will do some question to him what we can produce from this workshop. Sir, can you please explain us about this machine? How many parts or what kind of parts we can manufacture from this machine, and what kind of extra quality we have in this machine from other CNC machines, please?
Thank you. First time I introduced this machine, Haas ST10. You may know that Haas is American company.
Yes.
This manufacturer American.
Yes.
ST10 lathe machine series. Lathe means turning center. This controller also Haas controller. It can use also Fanuc controller. Fanuc and Haas is similar. Please see inside. We have this turret. 12 tool can engage at a time. 12 turning, boring, drilling, etc. Any types of 12 tool maximum. We have tail stroke, we have top jaw, and this machine boring also 45 mm. We can create any types of lathe precision job from this machine. If we need more heavy machinery, we have also this one is ST10. We have ST20 is big capacity, more than ST10. We will see.
So we can have a
Here, it is big from more than big from ST10. This is also lathe. This machine has similar system but bigger than ST10. It has also 12 tool post, jaw, turret, and telescope. And we have another ST10. If you need mass production, we have many machines. One ST10 is here.
So we have two ST10.
Here is two ST10, two turning center, one ST20, only for turning. If we need turn mill, that means Z-axis, we have another machine that works of ST20Y and ST30Y. Later I will show you that one. You can see our another machine.
Let's go forward. This is a big machine. Yeah.
VMC, that means vertical machining center. It is also from Haas.
Yeah.
VMC, it has big travel range.
A giant machine.
1200 in the longitude tube, that means X, and 800 in Y.
My God, such a big dimension.
Big dimension, we can prepare big mold. We have also similar method. Here you can see BF2.
Those are also vertical machining center.
Yes.
But they are smaller. They are for smaller.
We develop parts. We making mold and also parts from this machine. We have another one that is BF4. Please come. Similar one, BF4. But we have another extra advantage. I will show you. Please come. We have 5-axis machine.
This is also called the
Multi-axis machine. Please firstly see the machine model there.
Okay.
UMC 750. UMC 750. It is also from Haas. We purchased it from Haas. Come here.
Sir, can you explain how many tools can hold this machine at a time? If
In ATC, we can engage 40 tools at a time.
40 tools. Massive, so many.
Yes. Here is also 40 tool
Yes, sir.
changer.
Yes.
We can use 40 tool at a time.
Great.
Another our VF4 one work working procedure is going on.
What is going there? Oh, it's machining. You see, this is a robot. This is doing drilling operation.
Yes, drilling operation doing here. We are making a dice, soap dice.
Soap die.
ACI company making soap, and that company dice is this. Yes, we will show you our another SP20Y and another machinery that outside from this room or another factory.
Okay, sir. I will look at this.
Okay, start.
This is also
This is also a lathe machine,
but
ST30Y. This machine advantage is we have Y axis and C axis. It can turning, threading and regular lathe process, and this advantage is it has milling option. That means it called turn mill. Here is Y axis and here is C axis. We can prepare any type of multi-axis job from this machine.
so as like we can do a slot operation or pocket operation on a shaft.
Yes.
At the same time, we can do thread, we can
Thread,
do pockets.
rotary, any application.
Okay, sir.
We have similar one also. This is ST30Y and smaller than this machine ST20Y.
Okay, sir.
ST20Y from that machine, this is smaller. It has also 3 axis turn mill, it's called turn mill. Okay. Now I will show you wire EDM. We have wire EDM
Okay.
from Chemar,
So
world biggest company Chemar.
so as we know, the wire cutter machine,
Yes, wire.
electric discharge machine. This is the wire cutter. Oh,
This is wire cut. And it is finished cut. Wire is rolling, wire is moving, but wire not re-rolling.
so it's only for finish cuts.
Only for finish
So the
cuts.
same wire will not reuse again.
Not.
So which going past through the metal, it will not return again.
Not return. It will.
It will
Vanish.
It will vanish. Okay. So
And another idiom we have for mold making, we need it. It's also from Chemar. Chemar is a world brand. You can see this machine.
what kind of machine is this? This looks some kind of drill machine.
No, actually, while we operate any mold, and that mold corner may be 90 degree,
Okay.
but your operation, if any types of cutter you can cut, that corner will not be 90 degree. It will be some radius.
Yeah.
If you use 2 millimeter radius cutter, it will be 2 mm radius.
Yeah.
If you use 0.5 mm cutter, it will be 0.5 radius. But you need 90%, 100% 90 degrees.
So sharp corner.
Sharp corner.
Pure sharp corner.
Pure sharp corner. So how you could prepare?
How it's possible to do this?
We will make a electrode
Okay.
that type. Example, it may be electrode.
Okay.
Here I select this electrode, and this electrode go to the jobs,
Okay.
spark
Spark?
and back. Then this shape will be happen in job. So that means you need sharp corner, you need irregular shape.
Okay.
That cannot possible by making from VMC. This machine make that radius.
Because when we machining with a VMC, we feel some fillet and chamfer on the corner.
Yes.
And it's inside of the pocket also.
Yes.
So we can get rid of this problem with this machine. So we can produce a pure sharp corner.
Pure sharp.
Maybe
corner.
it's outside of
Outside,
stuff or inside of the stuff.
Suppose think you need this type. This job cannot be made from VMC because here is 90 degrees. Think there is 90 sharp angle.
Yeah, yeah.
But these job you can make, but these jobs core cavity you cannot make from this machine.
Yeah, yeah.
So you prepare electrode from VMC. Then you set the electrode here. Then this electrode will be create another shape in your mold.
So you mean we need to create the cutter, which shape we want to put on our mold,
Yes, exactly.
and this cutter will hold by this chuck,
Yes,
and it will discharge the, it will spark on the metal, and it will remove the metal as we make the cutter.
yes, exactly.
Ah, that's the magic, right?
Exactly, because in mold manufacturing we need it.
Yeah. So we can produce exact the design the designer will design.
Yes.
Yeah. Conversation and the documentary on this machine. We are so thankful on you, and I hope you will able to manufacture any kind of
Any kind
mold,
of.
any kind of mechanical parts. So and you will able to sell them or send them anywhere to the world, right?
Yes.
We are capable to do this. So we have a smart worker also, so they can work 24-hour maybe,
Yes.
right? Okay. So thanks
Okay.
for this
Thank you.
documentary. Bye.